Numbers don't lie, angka yang berbicara. Kerja keras terbayar, I'm the king, yeah. Doing it big, maksud yes you know, yeah. Everybody knows siapa rajanya. Work hard, pray hard. Work hard, pray hard. I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king. Gua sikat skena rap, ya, skena rap. Yang dulunya angku sekarang ngemis collapse, ya. Berkat who can jab, ya, who can jab. Bantai mereka dengan juta-juta subscribe, ya. Gua fokus berkarya, tidak tinggal diam. Number can lie, omongan mau gua bungkam. Jadi tulang punggung untuk para kesayangan. Silakan ngomong di belakang lo gak pantas di depan, ya. Mereka cuma iri sebut waria. Hidup mandiri bukan duit orang tua. Gak cuma youtuber, gue pengusaha. Presidennya Eci, mereka keluarga, ya.
Ganti kali pemandangannya guys. 20 jam.
Anak baik-baik bukan bad.
Happy kita. Oke.
Banyak yang mengaku
Lanjut.
raja dari lahir, namun saat gue hadir semua raja berakhir, ya. Numbers don't lie, angka yang berbicara. Kerja keras terbayar, I'm the king, ya. Doing it big, maksud yes you know, ya. Everybody knows siapa rajanya. Work hard, pray hard. Work hard, pray hard. I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king.
Taruh dari kecil makan taruh. Sukses gue nyata, lo ternyata boro-boro. Kafilah berlalu si anjing bebas menggong, gong, gong, gong. Lo silakan gede ngomong, gue gedein isi kantong, tong. I've been stacking racks, better believe that, put the money on the dash, yeah. All day on the rise, better recognize, always going hard, I ain't playing nice, yeah. Di musikku bertani, kuasai ilmu padi, babat sifat sombong, merunduk karena berisi. Haters naik darah, mungkin mereka butuh tensi. Netizen bikin gerah, semua YouTuber cari sensasi. I'm so real, ku berenang dalam money. 24 hours, badan gendut anti skinny. Gak semua YouTuber pantas nge-rap di scene ini. Trust me bro, ya, lu gak perlu tanya babi.
Numbers don't lie, angka yang berbicara. Kerja keras terbayar, I'm the king, ya. Doing it big, maksud yes you know, ya. Everybody knows siapa rajanya. Work hard, pray hard. Work hard, pray hard. I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king. Imagine, hustle until you haters ask if you hiring.
This is the one and only.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Slowing down, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running up from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting if I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything required. Want a reality.
Wah, nggak rugi kita kalau nggak mandi kita. Rugi kita kalau nggak mandi kita. Oke guys. Ini tempat. Ini putih.
Be great what you have. Be confident 'cause the only with you. What is happiness?
Cause it will make you happier.
Suasana airnya guys. Cantik kali airnya. Ini batu nih. Oke guys. Ini kali guys. Oke, sekian dulu.
There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we learn.
Comment and subscribe channel saya. Jangan suka like. Oke, bye bye.